Just a quick Rust Bucket adventure short. Last night we changed a headlight bulb out on this 2015 Ford Fusion, and we found that we didn't have to take off all of the clips on the headlight and the fender and the lower fascia to get the headlight bulb out. All we had to do was come in here and remove this 25 Torx, 27 Torx, a couple of 10 millimeter bolts. You have to remove this bump stop so you can get at a 10 millimeter screw there. Take off this bracket, take off this bracket. Wound up loosening the fender, and that gave us just enough room to pull the headlight forward so we can get back in here. Get back in here under this dust cover and gain access to the bulb. It's tight, it's doable. Took half an hour. On to the next adventure.